Yeah, this is going all our vibes, you know. Code life. Big up yourself in our frost box. Code in a dog. Yeah, bro, I bought one cliff, you know. And I cook some blood clot curry goat dog. In a night, yeah. You see me? A mad thing. Yo, you know, so me send a sitting brother up on WhatsApp. Me send a sitting bad man. Maybe I wrong WhatsApp me send it to some I have to go see what I go on and make a link, you see it? But me send a sitting bro. Where you say dog, you active for weekend or what? Where you say the weekend are active, bro? You know what go on in there, cause you know the badness though. Is he pre? Come in guys, give me some likes on the screen there. Like up a live. Alright fam, we have to go connect up then. We have to go make a connection, is it? That's a mad thing, you know, bro. Cause the weekend and a long weekend too. Yeah, dog, we need to connect up, man. We need to connect up, bro, and make a flick, is it? Come in, people. 20 away over here. Now give me some likes on the screen. Press some likes. Press some likes. I agree it up in the brain, you know. Rich is wrong, poor is right. And that they say, or poor is wrong, rich is right. But that means say, wealth overhaul. Yeah, bro. Give me some likes on the screen, guys. Give me some like on the live. Give me some like. 50 away over here. Give me some like. One press, is it? One press, one. Code. Kappa Town, respect, you know. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. All our new subscriber them know what to do, not just subscribe up, you see me? We have all heap of thing our job. All heap of thing we have our push out there. All heap of interview a come. You have all heap of podcast a come same way. And plus some where they call now. Some event performance. So just go and do the do. All out there just go and subscribe. You see me? And give me some likes on the same way. Yeah, man. a thing go. Like up the live, guys. 40 away over here. 520 somebody press like. Make we do what we have to do, not true. All of me can hear them on the top of the screen, same way. You see me? Just press like, cause you know I no TikTok over here, so you know I need no taps or roses over here, so you know. We know no tap or no roses, yes sir. Yeah man, bless up bro. Give me some likes on the live. Big up everybody who are joining from everywhere. Every angle. So I think set is it. I follow the peeps. Soon forward no peeps. Just go and put some likes on the live button, on the like button, you know. Yes, peeps, me there. They are going to hold them, you know. As me I say, big up everybody who jump in on the live. See me. Give it some likes on it. Press the like button one. Press the like button, you see it. Yeah. You know the code go. Press the like button, we are forward. Yeah, man. Bless up everybody who come in, you know. They are going to hold them the truth. So I know as a people, where all you guys from? This they are going to hold a meditation and deal with some badness, you know. Wagwan. Top Wagwan. That's your pick. Remember guys, like up the live. So you think that is it? All is good, man. Who that? One name, sir. We not deal with this something, the brother. Real killer, you deal with. You hear that? We not play with people, my friend. That's how we even to go live, you know. We not to do the internet. Why you are pre? Why you depend? We are real OG, you hear that? All kind of bum buckler eat that this. How you, man? I fling shot in a people, man. No way you talk. You hear that? Someone who can go and talk off on the mouth. You know how some people are come over here and bag talking. We're talking I go. Running down to see what go on. as the Gaza say, life are the greatest.